In this video, I'm going to show you how to install RustDesk on Windows. So RustDesk is a remote desktop software that's open source and super easy to use. So in order to download the RustDesk, so open your preferred browser and then search for RustDesk and then go to the official site. So make sure it's rustdesk.com. So click on that. And then in here, you will see a button download. So click this download button. And then in here, choose your preferred Windows. So it could be X64 or 86, depending on your system. But since I'm using a 64, we are going to download this. So for most modem pieces, choose Windows 64. And if you are using a Ubuntu or Mac or Android or Flatpak or iOS or anything operating system, just download it. So yeah, click this X key and then save it. So wait for it to finish downloading. So as you can see, it's done. So click on that and now start extracting your ROS installer. And yeah, that's it. That's how you download RustDesk on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.